Hello everyone, how are you all? Now here you have to get these pretty colors, make them into the form of a butterfly. You need to color them up and make the wings get ready. Isn't it amazing? Now here over a sheet you need to get the sketches and make them into the form of a rainbow. Further here you need to make them up in this pattern, make the layers like this, and this is gonna look pretty enough. You have to secure them up in this way and this is just gonna look pretty. Now here you need to just make the layers like this and this is gonna look yet pretty and amazing. Now here you have to get these boxes made and then get them secured up in this manner. Further here you have to get this pattern made and then secure them up into the form of a butterfly. This is gonna look yet pretty and amazing. Get this pretty box made. Further here you have to get these sheets and then arrange them up in this pattern and layers, and then you need to get them secured like this. You have to arrange them up and this is gonna look yet pretty. Isn't it cool? Here you have to get these made in this manner. You have to just secure it in this way and this is gonna look pretty enough. I hope guys you enjoyed watching our video. We'll be back with another exciting videos as well. Thank you.